Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can view your gift card balance on Amazon. So the first thing you have to remember is that of course you will have to log in since your gift card is tied to your account, right? So once you're on your account, just click on or hover over this section here and then just click on this. Now from here, you want to see that there's a gift card section down here, gift cards here, right? Right now, my gift card balance is $0 because, of course, I don't have any gift card here. You can also click on your auto relay settings so you can set up when your gift card can be reloaded. You can also click on reload your balance or redeem a gift card if you like. So if you have a gift card and you want to redeem it on Amazon here, you can click on this button here to redeem a gift card. If you want to click on reload your balance, this is what it would look like. It'll just redirect us to this funds here. So add funds directly to your Amazon gift card balance. Or if you already have a gift card, you can click on redeem a gift card. And then in here, you can enter in the code to enter in your balance. You don't have to do the dashes, by the way. So dash is not required. So if the code is 123-456, you can just type it as 123-456 like that. So this is how you do it. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.